Good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. Sure hope you had a great weekend. It was a beautiful weekend for sure, and I hope you had a wonderful and safe Mother's Day. It was gorgeous yesterday for sure. Becoming partly to mostly cloudy. There is a chance for some scattered rain showers. We'll walk you through the future cast coming up here in just a few minutes. A few isolated strong to severe thunderstorms on Tuesday. So it looks like we'll hang on to those showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. Then we'll dry out Thursday before another disturbance swings our way as we wrap up the week, Friday into the upcoming weekend. Although I'm going to tailor those rain chances down a little bit more for Sunday, I think. Either way you look at it looks like we're going to see increasing chances for rain throughout the day today. It's not going to be a total washout. This energy is going to start to come in from the south, but we are going to be just a little bit cooler than what we were yesterday. We should make it into the 60s and 70s. Even by 8 o'clock here tonight, we'll be in the upper 60s, but we'll hang on to, again, a few spotty showers. Not a huge chance for a ton of rain for everybody throughout the day today, but that will change gradually throughout the week. It is going to be on the breezier side. National Weather Service talking about high wind event heading for the higher elevations, a mountain wave event anyways. So that may produce some winds gusting to about 40 plus miles per hour across the highest peaks and down into the foothills. Something to keep in mind. No wind advisory as of right now, but we'll keep you posted on that. Weather Service was like, we may issue one. We'll see how it all plays out. Either way you look at it, you can see how this energy is going to be swinging its way in from the north, or from the south. So we're going to see increasing clouds becoming partly to mostly cloudy. Again, this model guidance doesn't have a huge threat for a lot of rain, and I don't necessarily think that we will, but we do have that chance for some scattered showers throughout the day today. So good idea to keep the umbrellas on the safe side, I suppose. But we don't warm up a whole lot. It's going to be a nice day, though. We're still going to top out in the low to mid 70s. Now, as we head through the day tomorrow, we'll see increasing chances for a few isolated strong thunderstorms, mainly along Interstate 40 south is going to be the greatest extent. We do have quite a bit of instability showing up in the atmosphere, and as this low tracks its way into the area, we're going to see spotty showers and thunderstorms that could produce some damaging winds and some larger hail. That would be the main threat. But the other side of the story, too, is going to be the elevated rain that we'll see this week. With all the rain that we saw last week, we're going to continue to see the possibility of some localized flooding. So tonight, we'll see, Tuesday night, getting ahead of myself here. I want the work week to already be done. We're going to see increasing chances for showers and thunderstorms roll on through. So when you take from today through tomorrow, the rainfall totals, we'll see anywhere from a quarter to maybe pockets of over half an inch. Kind of depends on where these showers set up. And again, if we do get rounds and rounds of rain over the same location, we do have that elevated flood risk from Tuesday into Wednesday by the Weather Prediction Center. So something to keep in mind because of the saturated ground, like I said, from all the rain that we saw last week. 3-day forecast will stay in the low, mid, and upper 70s. Looks like Thursday we're going to dry out before our next weather maker moves on in. So this is a storm potential throughout the day today. We got the upper level system swinging in from the south, and that's what's going to help spark off some showers and thunderstorms. A greater risk for some strong to severe thunderstorms exists across parts of northern Mississippi, Louisiana, also Arkansas and West Tennessee. And then today through tomorrow, we'll see that greatest risk down across the Gulf Coast. That's where the greatest risk will be. We are under a level 1 risk for severe storms across the southeastern U.S. That does include us here at home. And then it kind of dwindles as we get into our Wednesday, Thursday time frame as another low ejects its way out of the Rockies. So big picture story. You can see how this energy is going to be swinging its way into the area. There's the low pressure. So as it gets a little bit closer to the area, that's what's going to help to spark off some showers and thunderstorms throughout the day tomorrow. And again, some maybe strong to severe thunderstorms, especially tomorrow evening. We'll hang on to some rain chances Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then some wraparound moisture possible throughout the day on Wednesday before we dry out as a little bit of ridging takes place on into our Thursday. So elevated rain chances go to about 30% today. We'll elevate those rain chances Tuesday and Wednesday, fade those away Thursday, and then they ramp back up as we get into our Friday, Saturday, and then fading as we get into our Sunday. Sunday, I don't think that we'll have a ton of rain, but we'll start to add up to that again by the end of the week. So from today through Wednesday across the region, this is by the Weather Prediction Center, we'll see anywhere about a half an inch, 3/4 of an inch of rain. Then we'll add to that as we get into our Friday. So today through Friday and then today through Sunday, we'll see a little bit more rain. So Friday, Saturday, and maybe Sunday we have a little bit more. So our 7-day rainfall totals could be upwards of about 2 inches. So we'll definitely keep you posted on that. Temperature trend, pretty average weather. Average highs are in the upper 70s. We'll be warmer by next Sunday, pushing the low 80s. But generally speaking, a solid temperature week here. And morning lows will be a little bit more elevated as well. Average low is about 56 degrees. So as we look ahead, we will continue to see the possibility of above average temperatures from the 19th through the 23rd. And then maybe some average temperatures from the 21st to the 27th time frame. That's a long-range forecast by the Climate Prediction Center. And above elevated rain chances are likely to stick with us through the end of the month as well. That takes us all the way through the 27th. So as the weather changes, if we see a couple spotty showers throughout the day today or a chance for some strong thunderstorms tomorrow, make sure you download the East Tennessee Weather app. Just go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search East TN Weather, all one word. It's got an amazing interactive radar, access to the only 24-hour weather channel here in East Tennessee, day parts, 7 days, you name it. All the weather information for us here locally is right there at your fingertips. Have a great day.